Shuklam Bali Prabhu Kaila Savanash Etandule Kudakana Pahuta Prakash. Oh Lord, you have ruined me. This rice is full of broken particles. It's not fit to be eaten by you. Prabhu Pale Tora Kuda Kana Mune Khan Abaktera Amrita Ulati Nahi Chan. Vishnubar said, I ate your broken rice, and I turned my face away from the nectar offered by non-devotees. So this is Krishna's promise. Even the smallest gift, if it's offered by my devotees in pure love, I accept. But even great, huge, grandiose offerings, if they're presented by non-devotees, they do not please me. Swatantra Paramananda Bhakterer Jivan Jivaya Tandulake Koribe Nivaran. The Lord, who is independent, full of ecstasy, Swatantra Bhagavan Gauranga, Paramananda, and the life of the devotees, Bhakti Jivan, Bhaktira Jivan, Amara Jivana, the song of Bhakti Thakur, you are my life. Bhaktira Jivan. He ate the uncooked rice. Who could stop him? Prabhura Karunya Deki Sarva Bhakta Gan Shire Hatta Diya Sabe Karena Krandan. On seeing Vishnubar's compassion, Karunya Deki Sarva Bhakta Gan, all the devotees began to Krandan, cry, while holding their heads in their hands. Shire Hat Diya. So, like this, or this. Like, how would you hold your head in your hands? Oh my Lord, such mercy. Oh, such mercy for Shukambar. The way you're speaking with him, and he took that rice, and it's just like Krishna and Dwarka and Sudama. Shukambar, you're so wealthy, you're so rich. The Lord has eaten from your hand some raw rice which you begged, all broken 10th class rice, 2 rupee a kilo rice, unfit for human consumption, some junky rice someone gave you, broken rice. And they saw, and then why did they do that? Because they saw his karuna, the compassion, how much love, care, interest, and concern that Mahaprabhu showed in his devotee, Shukambara. Na jani ke kon dige padaye kandhiya sabe vivala haila karunya dekiya. No one knew who fell where as he cried. Everyone was overwhelmed on seeing such compassion. The devotees were holding their heads. They're just falling over. People were certainly a lot more alive in those days, 500 years ago. Now we see, walking down the street and a terrorist jumps out and shoots 50 people in front of us. We say, it's very hard to walk on the sidewalk over all these dead bodies. And we just try to sidestep the dead bodies. We don't cry, we don't, nothing, fear, nothing happens. It's just part of life. We're so so insensitive in the Kali Yuga. Nothing faces us, terrorism, this, that, anything. But here in the Gauranga's bhaktas are so soft-hearted, and so much responsive to all these exchanges of divine love. Of course, this is all exchanges of divine love. This is all the platform of pure loving exchanges. There's no contamination of lust or greed or envy here, because everyone's in their spiritual forms, eternal associates of the Lord. These dealings are the eternal associates of the Lord. Aprakrita Deham. This is called Aprakrita Deha, and then this is Alokik Lila, transcendental pastimes. So we in our bodies who are inhabiting these material tabernacles, which are bundles of desire and bundles of anarthas, bundles of aparats, and so much coverings of greed and lust, envy, pride, So that all of our interactions are impenetrated with all these debased and demoniac qualities. Because, honestly speaking, none of us are transparent entities. None of us are pure. None of us can stand up and say, yes, my consciousness is pure. My heart is clear and transparent. There's nothing but devotion, nothing but love in my heart. But all these Shukrambhara can say that, and Haridas and all these other great devotees.